Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my Boxycharm unboxing video. This is the second one that I'm doing and it's for the month of June. I have my box right here. I have not opened it and I'm so excited. If you guys want to see what I got in my June Boxycharm box, then just go ahead and keep on watching. Alright guys, I got my scissors right here. About to cut this tape. I've had my box sitting here for 4 days. 4 days. This is the box that I was so excited about. If you guys watched my last Boxycharm video, you guys already know why I'm excited. But, so here it is. I haven't even looked inside. Let's see. Okay, so it has a little card. Super, super cute. And here's everything. Oh my god, holy crap, I'm so excited. Let's get into it, you guys. I have been dying to get my box. I've been seeing everybody post theirs on Instagram. Here is the little card that tells you the prices of everything and what everything is. It's cute. It just opens up like this. So the first thing in my box are these Luxie 3-piece Flawless Complexion brushes. So this is what the brushes look like, you guys. You get a Luxie 516 Duo Fiber Powder Brush, which is this one right here. Then I got a 522 Tapered Highlighter, which I'm really excited about. I own a couple of Luxie brushes already, and I love them, and I actually don't have these three. The 660 Precision Foundation Brush. These are really pretty and they retail for $42. The box only costs $21, you guys. So with the 3 brushes already, you're paying for your box. Then there's this Sol de Janeiro. I don't think I'm saying that right, but anyways, it's the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. And how cute is this little sample, you guys? Like, it's adorable. I hear nothing but good things about this, and this little one retails for $10. I'm so excited to try this. I actually hauled a little sample that I got from Sephora a little while ago, so I'm excited to give it a try because I still haven't even tried my sample. So the next thing is from Ofra, and it's this long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Verona. I actually don't own any lip products from Ofra. I've heard a lot of good things. This retails for $21. I'm going to swatch this. Here it is right here. It's really beautiful, you guys. The next product in here is from Jante Bleu. I'm sure I'm saying that wrong too. But it's a waterproof eyeliner pencil. And this retails for $5. It's just like a traditional eyeliner pencil that you sharpen. Like a brown shade. It kind of reminds me of a brow pencil. I've actually never heard of the brand, so I'm excited to try that. Then we have these lashes from Baddington. They're called the Monroe Silk Lashes. These are really pretty. I love the packaging. These lashes look very, very pretty and like eyelashes I would wear all the time. These retail for $28. I saved the best for last, let me tell you. I saw a sneak peek on Twitter 2 months ago, and that's why I signed up basically for Boxycharm because I'm so excited for this. But it's the Alemad Cosmetics Reina del Caribe eyeshadow palette volume 1. And oh my god, this feels so nice, you guys. How pretty are these eyeshadows? Oh my gosh, I can't. They're so beautiful. I'm so excited. I want to do a dedicated video reviewing it, swatching everything for you guys. But I am so excited for this palette, you guys. This retails for $28. So I will leave the total of everything added up right here for you guys. All of these goodies, you guys, for $21. That is insane. That is such a good deal. If you guys are not signed up for Boxycharm and you would like to sign up, my link is down below. This is actually going to be my last unboxing video. I was just so excited for the Alemad Cosmetics palette that I wanted to do another unboxing with you guys. But the rest of my Boxycharms, I will be showing them on my Instagram, just like my Ipsy Glam Bags. So if you guys are not following me on Instagram, make sure you guys go follow me over there. Let me know down below If you have Boxycharm, what was your favorite product? I'm so happy with this entire box. I'm so excited. I love Luxie brushes. I'm so excited for the eyeshadow palette. The lashes look so pretty. The liquid lipstick, the Bum Bum cream, the eyeliner, like everything looks good. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. And I just can't believe that it's only $21 a month, you guys. It's insane. That's it. I'm done unboxing this for you guys. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.